Many of us water our trees the wrong way, especially during a drought. This is a tool that was recommended to me by an arborist, and it changed the way I water things. So today I thought I would share it with you. It's simple, it's inexpensive, and it's easy to use. It's called a deep roots waterer. The idea is that instead of laying a hose on the surface of the soil and watering long enough for the soil to be completely saturated and the water to travel down to where the roots are, this tool automatically places the water deep down where the roots already are. So you attach your hose, you drive it into the ground, and the water travels down to where those deep roots are. Now, it's taking the water from a 3/4 inch hose or a 1-inch hose to a 1/4 inch opening. So it comes out very forcefully. You have to just gently turn it on and let it kind of drip instead of turning it on hoping to speed things up. It really comes out like a fire hose. You have to be careful. The important thing is the placement. You have to place it correctly. So I think it would be easier to show you that on paper. The key to being successful in watering any tree with any tool is to water at the drip line. So if this is your trunk and these are the branches or the crown and these are the roots, the drip line is approximately where the branches end. So if you can picture rain dripping from a tree, and the reason you want to water there is because that is where the feeder roots are. The feeder roots are the most active roots on the tree, and they are the ones that are most able to take up water and fertilizer. So if this is the soil line, you would not want to put the deep root waterer here, which is what most people do. They put it too close to the trunk. You want to place it out here at the drip line, because then you are automatically directing the water toward the feeder roots, which is where the tree can most easily use it. So I hope that helps you as much as it has helped me. This particular brand is called Yard Butler, and you can usually find them at the hardware store or the garden center hanging right next to the hoses. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you next time.